हेलो इंजीनियर्स। राधे राधे। आप सभी कैसे हैं? मैं आशा करता हूँ आप सभी अच्छे होंगे और स्वस्थ होंगे। सो इंजीनियर्स, आज के इस वीडियो में मैं बात करने वाला हूँ ऐड इंस्ट्रक्शन पीएलसी में क्या होते हैं। व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ ऐड इंस्ट्रक्शन, वेयर यू यूज ऐड इंस्ट्रक्शन इन पीएलसी, व्हेन यू हैव टू यूज दिस इंस्ट्रक्शन इन पीएलसी। सो इंजीनियर्स, लेट्स कीप विथ अस। ऑल्सो इन प्रीवियस वीडियो मैंने बात किया हुआ था टाइप्स ऑफ कंप्यूट मैथ instruction in PLC. So engineers, you have not to watch this video, then you have to go and watch my previous video. So in this video today we are going to cover about add instruction in PLC. Actually, add means also you know that in nursery one class add means jod. In PLC, what is the meaning of it and what is the purpose of it? Add. Basically, its full name is addition. After that, in short form, abbreviation for it is add. Understand? Uh, एक्चुअली ये ऐड मीन्स हम दो वैल्यू को आपस में जोड़ते हैं। तो ऐड में बचपन में मैंने लाइक एज 5 और 4 को मैंने जोड़ा। इक्वल टू 5 इज सोर्स ए एंड 4 इज सोर्स बी। Understand? And the result is destination. DEST, destination. Understand? So actually here I have to take 5 and source B, here I have to source B and destination value equal to after go to online and upload this download this program, then our result will be come. So engineers, let's keep with us. After starting add instruction, I have to make some small content for you. Add instruction. So you have to please read and write in your notebooks before watching this video. So engineers, let's see. Add instruction in PLC. Today we are going to cover about what is the full form of add addition. Add instruction takes two operands. Actually, add addition takes two operands like as source A, source B stored in source A and source B and store the resulting sum in the destination operand. Makes the result will be stored in the destination area. This is destination area where you have to store the value. The final rung illustrate a simple way to create a non-binary counter. The final rung, actually the final rung means the rung which is final, then where you have to सिंपल क्रिएट नॉन बाइनरी काउंटर। यहाँ पे हम नॉन बाइनरी काउंटर का मतलब क्रिएट करेंगे। दिस ऐड इंस्ट्रक्शन विल इंक्रीमेंट एन ऑपरेंड बाय द वैल्यू स्प्राइड इन सेकेंड ऑपरेंड। मीन्स फर्स्ट इज 5 and second 4. So when you have to add 5 first source and when you have to add 4 value, then our value will be increment। मीन्स 5 में आप 4 जोड़िएगा तो उसमें क्या होगा? 9 होगा। तो इसे हम लोग इंक्रीमेंट बोलते हैं। एंड आफ्टर दैट 1 by 1 in parallel you have to add this value. So engineers, I hope you understand what am I saying. The add also known as addition. Add को हम लोग एडिशन के नाम से भी जानते हैं। is an instruction which will perform a mathematical addition of two integers or float. Actually add addition में मीन्स दो मतलब आपके वैल्यू यहाँ पे यूज कर सकते हैं। एक इंटीजर वैल्यू, एक फ्लोट्स वैल्यू। इंटीजर वैल्यू माइनस प्लस actually like -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so. And into floats value like as any real value like a 0.08, 0.48, 0.68. This type of value you have to add in. Performing an addition has a lot of usage in PLC. मीन्स एडिशन का यूज हम करते हैं। लॉट ऑफ यूजेज हम इसका कर सकते हैं। इन एडिशन To the obvious, it can be creatively used to create advanced functions such as step counter, average calculation, and so on. Actually, in PLC, you have to use how to use in such a step counter. It is used on a step counter, average calculation, and so on. The instruction takes three operand, two which will be added in one into one, and result will be stored in instruction execute. In it will be take three operand, source A and source B, and the result will be operand in destination area. The add instruction is used all the time and is one of the most fundamental instruction of the computational mathematical set. It's something every programmer should be familiar with. Actually, the add instruction is usually used to in computational and mathematical set, एंड इट्स समथिंग वेरी प्रोग्रामर शुड बी फेमस। सभी इस जो भी पीएलसी प्रोग्राम करते हैं वो इनसे परिचित ऑलरेडी होते हैं। ऐड इंस्ट्रक्शन क्या होता है, इसको हम लोग कैसे यूज करते हैं, एक्चुअली ये नाम से ही जाना जाता है कैसे यूज करते हैं। डाटा टाइप्स अलाउड फॉर ऐड इंस्ट्रक्शन मीन्स ऐड इंस्ट्रक्शन में किस विच टाइप ऑफ डाटा कम इन। तो लेट्स सी द ऐड कैन बी यूज टू कंपेयर टू वैल्यू of identical types of mismatching types such as float and integer. Actually, in the added instruction compared to value and the which type of value come in float value and integer value. This value can be int or float. तो ये वैल्यू आपका इंटीजर हो सकते हैं या फ्लोट हो सकते हैं। आई एन टी इंट फ्लोट इक्वल फ्लोट वैल्यू जीरो, वैसी वैल्यू जो डेसिमल फॉर्म में होती है वैल्यू, ठीक, उसे फ्लोट वैल्यू बोलते हैं या रियल वैल्यू भी हो सकती है। इंटीजर you may specify each operand of the bit integer type मीन्स इंटीजर में आप किसी भी ऑपरेंड को आप इंटीजर के फॉर्म में ले सकते हैं, लाइक -2 -1 0 1 2 एंड सो ऑन। फ्लोट यू में स्पेसिफाई ईच ऑपरेंड टू बी फ्लोट टाइप, इसमें कोई भी ऑपरेंड फ्लोट टाइप का हो सकता है, लाइक 0.8 0.4 0.4444 and so on. So engineers, I hope you understand. Let's come to RS logic, where I have to perform what is the use of add instruction in PLC. So engineers, let's see. Then I have to go to RS links, and here I have to take XIC button and also Control C, Control V, and here I have to delete this, and after that I have to take this instruction. Here I have to put input, the input equal to, then I have to give it to input, after that add. So here you have to put integer value and float value. So I have to go to integer, and here I have to put n7 separator 0 and 7 separator 1, and the destination you will be adding and 7 2. So engineers, I hope you understand what I have to do, and here I have to put 5. Okay, and then you have to save this program. Save. Okay. Actually, this program is math. Save. Then you have to go and open RS Links Classic software. Station. Then you have to go to configure driver. Here you have to select SLC 500 emulator. Add. Then okay. Then here you have to 0 1. Then okay. Then you have to close it, and then you have to minimize it and go to RS Logic Simulate, and here you have to select your file, and here you have to select a file which name math MATHA, and here math instruction will be open. Then you have to open this. Okay, before compile the program, it will be open. Okay, I have to compile the program. Okay, here I have to go and choose math. Open. It will be apparently not working. Okay, communication, system com, emulator. Why it will be not working? Sometime it will be not working. Maths. Open. Okay. Now we have to close it. Once more. I have to open this. Open. Math. Now it will be not open. Why it will be not working? Yeah. Verify. Save. Okay. Okay. Now it will be working. I hope. Okay. Here you have to give a station and then okay. Now it will be working. Then you have to go to RS Logis 500 English software. So engineers now go to communication system com. Here you have to choose this type and go to and download this program. Then yes, then okay. Now it will be not working. So here you have to download it. Okay, download my phone well with processor. Okay. So I have to delete it, go to RSLogis 500 English software, then okay. Here I have to go select new and go to math instruction and go to select micrologics. I have to change 1000. So I have to maximize this. After that, go to there and even here I have to select one no and go to compute math and select this one, and here I have to minimize it and go to input and give input addressing to it and give this instruction and 710 it will be taking and 71 and 72 and will verify it. Then I have to save as math 2 name. Save You should save this location. Okay. Then you have to where you have to save this program. Go to document. Okay, here you have to save this program and go to communication active. Then cancel. And then you have to press yes. Run mode. Now engineers you have to see how can I do it, and after that I have to put value 5, and after that I have to put value 4, and before when I have to press a start push button, then it will be working. Let's see. Control T. The and not here I have to press toggle bit. Then value will be changed. And after that I have to press toggle bit. The value will be same. After that I have to put value like as 50. After that I have to put value 100. Understand? And now I have to press toggle bit. The output will be 150. So engineers, I hope you understand what is the use of add instruction in PLC. So I have to go to offline. Okay. Now I have to toggle it. Here I have to select rung, and I have to put it into control C. After that control V, and here I have to put value of N72. Understand? And here I have to put value N73. Understand? Here I have to put value N74. Let's see. So engineers, I hope you understand what I'm go on. Okay, open, download. Yes. Then you have to go to run mode. Yes. Remove force. Toggle bit. Toggle bit. Here engineers, I have to put 0. Understand? And here I have to put 200. So engineers, I why I have to put 0, because this is 50 or 100 equal to 150. Here I have to not give any value. Actually 50 और 100 को जोड़ेंगे तो हम लोग को 150 होगा. तो N72 का जो है एड्रेसिंग मैंने यहाँ दे दिया तो 150 आ गया. यहाँ पे 200 है, तो उसके बाद क्या होता है वो सब में देखिएगा. तो यहाँ पे मैंने टॉगल बिट प्रेस किया तो 50, तो 150 ऑटोमेटिक आया. 200 तो इक्वल टू 150 प्लस 200 इक्वल टू 350. So engineers, I hope you understand how it work, how to use of add instruction in PLC. So engineers, Radhe Radhe. If you are in like this video and you have to learn from this video what is the use of add instruction. So engineers, you have to subscribe my channel and share it in your WhatsApp group in your college student life. So engineers, I hope you understand. Thanks engineers. Radhe Radhe.